Hello again. Today we have iPad Pro 10.5 inch. As you can see in the video, the screen or the glass, it's badly broken, but the good thing is the LCD or the main display is still good. So in this video we can show you like how to remove only the glass from the main LCD to save the original like display. A lot of customers coming here, they're asking they need Apple LCD or display. So with this process we can just take outside the glass and replace it with the new glass and the touch, and we'll keep like the same display as original. So since the screen is badly broken, we put some tape, like we put tape on it so it will make it easier for us to separate the glass from the main display. So now we put it in the heating plate to make sure the glue under the glass, or they call it OCA, is little bit melted or softened. So in order to separate these two pieces, we are available at Richmond Hill, Ontario. If you have any iPad or iPhone or Samsung phone, you need only the glass removed, you can contact us through our website maplelaptopservices.com. Go to the form and just book an appointment, or you can give us a call at 416-587-7105. If you have any question, we are happy to answer you. So now we are separating the cable for the touch in order to put the wire in between the display and the glass. This process can be done for iPad Air, all versions, iPad Mini, iPad Pro. The iPad, it has a glass on top of the LCD. It cannot be done for the regular iPad because that one, it has different glass. For that one is easier, we can just replace the glass. We don't need to go for this process. This process is only for iPad Air, Mini and Pro. And it can be done for iPhone X until 17 Pro Max. Since we are recording this video and we have iPhone 17 released already, so in future it might be 18, 19, whatever. And we do this for Samsung as well, Samsung phones. If you'd like to support us, please like the video and subscribe in the channel, and share this video with anyone who's interested in any glass replacement. As you can see in the video now, we put the wire between the main display and the glass. This is the most critical step now. When we separated the glass, then we can just clean the OCA or the glue and put another glass on it and put it in the machine, and that's it. this process should be correct, should be done correctly, otherwise the main display it might damaged. This is our workshop where we do only glass replacement. We tried to make the video as short as possible, just to show you like our services, so you'll have an idea what's involved in replacing the glass. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel, and give us an email or call if you have any question. We are happy to answer you. Thank you for watching. See you next video.